Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on my life on a hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe and support my Patreon account at patreon.com/nailroomtalk, and my TikTok account is at my life on a hill. And today I'm going to be doing my own pedicure, and it's, you guys know it's kind of hard to do your own pedicure, so it's a little struggle, especially when you can't see the cuticle up, forward versus from the back. But anyways, like, I've been using this orally bonder and I love it because it makes the nail polish last really, really long. But it's kind of like damaging my nail bed, and I know I should file those away, but it's so hard to bend over and do your own nails. Hey guys, I love Guys products, but one thing that I regret not doing is using gel on my, I don't normally use gel on my feet because it's hard to take off, and I don't have, hours to take that off, let alone put new polish on. But the reason why I would put on gel on my toes is because I have that peel off gel polish, and basically you put that on first and then you put your gel polish and you continue from there. I haven't tried it on nails because I'm kind of afraid that when my client leaves that it comes off right away, and most of them, so I haven't tested it on humans yet. I've only tested it on my silicone, and I'm telling you, when I do my nail extension on my silicone, so I have the nail bed and then I put on a tip. First of all, I put on the on a nail bed, you put on like the fake covered, full covered tip like you have a natural nail. So if you want, before you put that on, you put it on the silicone hand itself. So when you do put on the first nail, full cover nail, you could also take that off. But I've noticed that that doesn't really matter. It eventually comes off anyways, and it doesn't damage the nail, the silicone hand. So I just do it like that. So I put on the full cover nail with glue, and then I put up one coat of the peel off gel polish on there, and then I glue the tip on, and then I build the nail. So when I'm done, I do my show, I do my sample, and then I just rock it, and the whole thing comes off, you guys, and I get to use the hand again without damaging. So I wanted to apply that to my toes, since you guys, toes takes really long to come off. I mean, for me, with this bond that I put on, it literally lasts a whole month. And it gets to the point where, like, you start seeing, of course, the cuticle, that growth part of it. So but I want to try it just because when I'm putting flowers on my toes, so when I put decals or artwork or embellishment on my toes, I have to wait for it to dry. And sometimes, not sometimes, all the time, because I'm impatient, I don't wait, and then I even so, like, just say you make a mistake with for the flower, when you go to take it off, you might damage the polish as well. So that's one of the things that I regret not doing, but I will be doing that the next pedicure, or who knows how many pedicures I have and coming up. But also on this one, I love the beautiful pink. And my nail beds are not, I wish my nail beds were bigger, you guys, but they're really tiny. And it's hard to polish because it gets like really messy, and that's why I guess too it would help to have the gel polish. But this worked, and I really love how it came out. And it's kind of like a spring, beautiful flowers. I have a lot of flower decal, and I can't wait to utilize all of them. And I think I did these, I think I was doing something to represent my mom, and the flowers that we had bought for her funeral and for her grave, and comparing them to one that so we bought the flowers they came in a packet for the funeral home, from the funeral home, with beautiful flowers on top of her coffin, which is very expensive. They were $500 in the packet. And then when I went to visit her grave, I went downtown and I got a beautiful beautiful set of arrangements, and it was $45. So I was doing something talking about the flowers, and I decided to do my nails to to represent. I just put the flowers on and then incorporate that in whatever I had done. So that's why in this video I will be showing you the beautiful flowers of my mom's funeral arrangement. But anyways, I'm just doing my toes, you guys, the basic stuff, you know, base coat, polish, top coat, or embellishment. And I've used all Cara Sky's product. I love everything about her product, you guys. I love how the bottle feels. Her bottles, I think, is patented. Like the texture of it, everything about her bottle is like so nice to hold. It's like soothing. It's like, you know, when you put those balls in your hand and you just squeeze them for a piece, and like putting her product in your hand makes me feel like that. So I'm just using, and everything I use is just polished regular lacquer, no gel. And for me, I have to do my pedicures earlier in the day, because by evening, if I have to go somewhere, you can guarantee you that I'm gonna smudge them. Yep, that's me. But it's just me doing a basic. I think I prefer my big toe to always have a French instead of like full covered. I don't know. I don't know why. I like seeing it like that. And you know, every, I guess, pedicure videos that I do, I try to utilize just the tip that has polish on it. And I think I might have or will do one where the polish covers the whole nail bit. But anyways, I hope you guys are home safe, dealing with the coronavirus, you guys, and being quarantined in terms of for protection reasons, you know. And those who have it, I hope you guys stay safe, and make sure you guys, you know, you wash your hands. And a lot of shelves are going empty with food products, with, you know, toiletries and things like that. But you check the vitamin aisle and it's full. Guys, we have to build our immune system to fight anything. And this is one of the reasons, you know, before I started taking vitamins and eating healthy, in terms of even organic, and stay away from all the junk food and stuff like that, we were sickly every winter. Each of us would take turns vomiting, and I would pray that when the kids, if they did get sick, that they would get sick on a weekend, that they didn't have to miss school, because my oldest is a perfect attendance since elementary, and so my my little one is too, except for elementary. One day he missed, and since he didn't even miss a day, he was sent home because he got stung by a bee and they didn't have a nurse, and so I had to take him home, bring him home, and that's the only time he's ever absent. So I, you know, they take their, well, at least my oldest take it very seriously. But I'm telling you, one year we went on vacation in Belize, and I think the both, they were younger, and both of the boys got like a little nauseous, a little vomiting, like and the next day they were fine. Whereas I think my husband and I took turns, and at that time we were staying with my sister-in-law when we went on vacation. We didn't stay at a resort or anything. We took turns vomiting. If it didn't vomit, it came the other way. And I was like, good Lord, I can't keep. And it was like every year it got, you know, a little bit better or worse. Every year was different, but you know you were going to get it every winter. But I'm telling you guys, since I've been making sure my family eat healthier in terms of I mean, it's hard, you guys, because they're kids and they see kids eating chips. Like this, they tell you, okay, these are the flower arrangement that I bought for $45. They're really huge, and it's really upsetting to know that even burying someone, it's so expensive. And I went and I put that on my mom's grave. It came in a little, you know, the little basket so it could sit upright, but my mom is on a slope. Look, that right there we pay like $500 for. I mean, it's beautiful, don't get me wrong, and there's roses and everything, you know, but it was just, you know, she was worth it, don't get me wrong, it was worth it. But just to show you the difference when you know, have to pay for these things versus you go on your own. And plus it was time consuming for us to even try to get flowers at the right time. And so, but I'm just showing you the difference and pricing and things like that. Yeah, so anyways, I was really, let's see, you know, we start eating healthier, and like I said, the student store would offer these kids like chips and things like that, but yet they don't want kids to bring junk food to school. So I didn't understand that concept. And my son would be like, Mom, can I, you know, buy food? And I would have to tell him, okay, on a Friday, buy one bag of chip or something like that. But you guys, build your immune system. In one of the previous video, I show you all the vitamins that my family take. on that I currently take, and especially going through menopause, I did not realize, what I was lacking, and I've just learned and studied and read and Googled things. So, but anyways, these are my pedicure nails. Hope you like them. Stay tuned for more topics, especially this coronavirus situation. You guys are home, probably YouTube and stuff. I hope you see my stuff. Take care, be kind, be safe, and be healthy, and take your vitamins, guys. I'm telling you, build your immune system.